Let's see how Simpla can help in this scenario. FMC Manufacturing Company is a manufacturing company based in Abu Dhabi with both local and international operations. They are registered for VAT and their visa has been issued in Abu Dhabi as well. Their jurisdiction is Abu Dhabi Global Market. Their monthly expenses are $20,000 while their annual income comes out to be $345,000. They need to determine which portion of their income is eligible for tax and which is not. They also need help in identifying and segregating income earned within the UAE from income generated abroad. This involves complex transfer pricing rules and documentation to allocate income appropriately. FMC Manufacturing Co. takes assistance from Simpla. According to our expert tax advisor bot, here is what needs to be done. It gives a breakdown of different income qualifications to help FMC Manufacturing Co. find out which category they fall under so that they are compliant with the tax law, so that they may accurately report their income for VAT purposes. FMC Manufacturing Co. wanted help with more specified, targeted concerns and asked Simpla how tax would be calculated for their company's income, considering they have local and international operations. But FMC Manufacturing Co. also wants to stay on top of all tax rules and regulations in the UAE and seeks advice from Simpla regarding income from abroad that may need to be reported. For this, Simpla lists down the variables contained in the taxable income to be reported. It enables FMC Manufacturing Co. to narrow down their taxable income and report it accurately in order to comply with the UAE laws. Finally, FMC Manufacturing Co. was serious to find out how VAT applies to cross border transactions involving qualifying income. Our tax advisor gives them a clear picture of what determines VAT when it comes to cross border transactions. Since tax season is upon us, now is the best time to be visiting Simpla for all your tax advice. Corporate tax can be tricky, we make it simpler. Sign up for our beta now and check it out for yourself.